Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today we're going to be installing the rear sprocket for Yamaha Raptor 350. I currently got a 42 sprocket in the back, but I want more acceleration. I want more power in the bottom end, so I'm going to be putting a 42 tooth sprocket in the back, because I need to get these big tires moving. These big tires, man, this thing be pushing this power on the Raptor 350 for sure. But hey, these tires are really good. They get me out of almost everything, so I'm not complaining. But yeah, you're gonna start off by taking off these two screws right here. You're not gonna take them out. You're just gonna loosen them. You're gonna loosen this top nut, and loosen this bottom one. This top one's gonna be a 17 for this one, and it's gonna be a 17 for this side, and it's gonna be a 14 on over here on this side, right here. Then after that, you loosen these. This is pretty sure a 13 and a 12. So you loosen this up, get the chain nice and loose. Well, look, it's already loose. But yeah, pretty much that's it. And yeah, I'm gonna pick it up when I take off everything right now. Alright, just another tip. For example, if you're trying to take this out and the carry bearing itself is like stuck on there, or you can easily just use a pry bar like this and just push down, and look, now it's super loose. Alright, so now that I loosened up all these bolts, I have this loose, all this loose, I have the chain loose. Now I can start to remove these 4 bolts right here. I think these are 13 or 14 millimeters, and then you also got a Allen key back here. And yeah, so before I do any of that, I'm gonna take off this chain first, and then I'll start to remove these bolts. So once you take off the 4 bolts off of the rear sprocket, you should be looking at this. And then once you have that off, take off the wheel. Then you would do this. And this. You take it right out. The difference between a 40 tooth and then a 42 tooth. Just a little bit bigger. I mean, we're gonna see how this does. I mean, what's the difference between, going up 2 teeth? Because I definitely need more of that bottom end torque, that low end torque. So yeah, right now I'm gonna be installing it the same way I took it out. Slide it in here. It's kind of hard this one hand. Alright, so you're gonna slide it under the chain like that. Shit. Alright, and then you're gonna put it over the star, because it has to go on this side. I made the mistake before. I had put the rear sprocket on this side, and I had my chain constantly popping off. I mean, I'm talking about every second. Like, I would put it on, and then later on it'll pop off again. I think it was in one of my recent videos that my chain was popping off a lot, and that was the reason why. I ended up finding out that I had it on this side and not on this side. Alright guys, I got it on now. Chain's not all the way tied on yet, but I got these bolts on right now. I'm gonna start tying up the chain in a second. I'm about to adjust it. Yeah, I'll pick it up when I start tying it. Alright guys, I got it all together. Chain's tight. I like to have my chains like half inch of play. Let's see if I can get kind of what I'm talking about. I like to have my chains like half an inch of play. So a little bit of play, but not too much, because when you're riding, over time the chain's gonna stretch, and then you're gonna deal with your chain being loose out of nowhere, and then your chain's popping and all that stuff. So I just run it safe with that.